How to fix the Crowdstrike blue screen BSOD issue. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you are receiving this screen on your computer screen, which is for the blue screen of death, in that case you'll have to type in on the C advanced repair option. After that, open the troubleshoot menu and then click on advanced option. From there, choose the startup settings. Now click on restart button and your computer will restart and present you with various startup options. From there, boot in safe mode by clicking in F4. Now that you are logged into your computer, go to Windows Explorer, Windows C, System 32-bit, and then under the drivers. Under the drivers folder, open the Crowdstrike folder. Now search for C50291 into .sys. Once you get the screen, locate it and then delete the folder. After that, you have to restart your computer and see if the issue is fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.